Hello, good morning. Thank you for calling room service. This is Paulo Jam speaking. How may I help you?
Hi, I want to order some food.
Certainly, sir. Do you have the menu with you? It's on the table to your bed. Did you see it?
Yes.
May I have your name and room number, please?
My name is Sayos Cullarin and my room number is 16.
Thank you for that information. Okay, Mr. Cyrus of room 16, may I take your order?
My order is, I want Tapsi and orange juice.
Would you like adobo or sinigang? How about some tea to go with it?
No.
Is there anything else that you would like to order?
That would be all. Thank you.
Okay, Mr. Cyrus, may I repeat your order? Your order for Tapsi and orange juice, is that correct?
Yes, that's all good.
Your order will be delivered within 15 to 20 minutes. Would you like us deliver it right away or at a specific time?
Yes.
The total amount of your bill is 550 pesos. Are you paying in cash or charge it to your room?
Charge it into my room.
Alright, sir. How much bill do we need to change for? Is that anything else that I can help you with?
No.
Okay, thank you for calling room service. Have a nice day. Room service. Room service. Room service. Good morning, sir. Are you Cyrus James Cullarin of room number 16?
Yes.
Here is your room service order. May I come in?
Yes.
Excuse me, sir. Do you want me to open your curtain to brighten up your room?
No.
Excuse me, sir. Here's your order, your tapsilog and your orange juice. Is there anything else that I can do for you, sir?
No.
Okay, sir. When do you want me to come back to take your soiled dishes?
After 1 hour, please.
Okay, sir. If you're ready, just call me and dial 111. Thank you and enjoy your day.